Hey friends, if some keys of your laptop keyboard is not working, then please watch this video and I will guide you on how we can fix that. So let's go quick into the process. Now you cannot use your keyboard, so just simply open the on-screen keyboard first. This is the first option that you can use the on-screen keyboard. So type here on-screen keyboard. Now click on this. And once your on-screen keyboard is opened or enabled, then simply click on the Start button. Go to Settings. Now maximize this. On the left pane in the list of options, you have to click on System. Then simply scroll down. And then look for Troubleshoot, this one. Click on Other Troubleshooters. Then here, if you can find the keyboard with the run button corresponding to it. So let's assume that this is keyboard and this is the run button corresponding to it. So you have to click on the run button. Now running the keyboard troubleshooter, this will help you detect the problem that you are facing with your keyboard. And this will also give you suggestions and recommendations on how you can fix the issue. So you just have to follow what it suggests. That is the second method. Third method is we also need to make sure that our Windows is up to date. So click on this Windows key on your on-screen keyboard. Then click on Settings. On the left pane in the list of options, you have to click on Windows Update. Then here you have to click this button and check for updates. So this will download and install the latest updates for your Windows. So it's very best thing that you need to make sure that your Windows is updated, as also when your Windows is updated, you rarely face an issue. So you have to check on that. Once done, close this window. And then in the Windows search bar right here, type Device Manager. Now use your on-screen keyboard. Type DEVICE space Manager. Best match Device Manager. Click on that. Then here, the Device Manager window will appear. Then look for your keyboards. This one. Make a right click, select Update Driver, and then search automatically for drivers. Now, the best drivers for your device are already installed. Simply close this, and then close this window, and then just make a restart of your Windows by right-clicking at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and then restart your Windows. Now, if that worked, then good. But if not, then go back to the same Device Manager window. So type here again, Device Manager. Best match, click on that. Then here you have to look again for your keyboards. Make a right click, select Update Driver. This time, click on Browse My Computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Click on this, click on Next. Windows has successfully updated your drivers. Close this. Then, it will ask you to restart your computer, so you have to click on Yes in order to restart your computer. And once you have restarted your computer and the problem has been fixed, then good. But if not, then in some cases, the problem is still there. Then go back to the same Device Manager window. Make a right click on your keyboard and then select Uninstall. Click on Uninstall. Then once that is uninstalled, do you want to restart your computer? Now you have to click on Yes. And once you click on Yes, and after your PC will be restarted, do not worry, because after your PC has been restarted, then your keyboard will be reinstalled into your Windows. So, if any of the fixes helped you in solving the issue, please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.